How to find explicit content settings on Spotify PC, easy and quick. Hello guys, first open your Spotify and now just click on your profile here in the top corner, and here we'll find settings. Click on it and then just scroll down until you find the explicit. If you can't find it here in the top, just scroll down until you find it, and that's it. Here you can turn it off or on, and I hope that can help you. Just turn it off and go back, it will be saved, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.